Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about ABS systems and traction control on your vehicle. And when that ABS or traction control light comes on, or the little vehicle that looks like it's skidding, that means that your system's in default. It's picked up a fault and it's not actually working properly. Your brake system will continue to operate as a brake system on a vehicle without ABS, but it is imperative to get it checked out because stability control, anti-skid, anti-lock braking system, all these can be affected by a system that's not operating properly. But today we're going to talk about ways to keep your ABS system in good working order. Number one is to always keep the brakes in great working order. You get brake pads that are worn out, replace them, rotors, etc. Calipers that have any issues, we want to make sure they're replaced, along with master cylinders or any other items. But one of the key items to the ABS traction control system is what's called an ABS valve control assembly or pump motor. These can become extremely expensive to replace. So the only way to actually keep this system in good working order when it comes to keeping good fluid in it is to exchange the brake fluid on your vehicle on regular intervals. We typically recommend with brake services to do so. Keeps the acid level low, copper level low, system in good working order. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.